And I came to Jamaica to spend my money here so that my Jamaican people can get it. But when I came here, I was sorry that I made the house. It's like a nightmare. Every day I get up, it's like I'm in a dream. What is going on in this country with this crime and violence? The Prime Minister is not connecting with the people of Jamaica. He must now do something. We are all living in fear. Thank you, my friend.
You born and grew in Westmoreland?
Born and grown in Westmoreland, went to Sam Sharp Teachers College. And this country has entirely changed, my friend. We do not know what happened. It's a new generation or what? We are living in fear. There's no law, there's no order in this country.
So what you heard happened down here in Little London?
Yesterday, I have problem with the police, but I won't say anything. I personally, but I won't go further. But yesterday was the same thing that happened. They robbed in Little London, and everybody starts scrambling to go in their home. Every shop starts to close. Today now is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, today's Friday, and it's the same thing happened. Look how early they closed. Look how early all the shops closed. Everybody is living in fear, my friend.